All right, guys, here we go. What y'all think? 50, 100? Do I hear 200? I don't know, guys. Don't lowball me now. It's a bunch of junk, but we about to head up to the scrapyard now and see what we can get. Let's get it. Hey, all right, y'all. Hey, turn this off, man. I'm monetized, man. Drake, you can't be playing on my station like that, man. Oh, man, look at this guy with all this junk in front of me. God, I wish I was in front of him. He gonna be all freaking day. Let's get it, man. I ain't got all day out here. I cannot be all freaking day. Everybody waiting till the last damn minute to show up with their junk. Go and figure. All right, we're gonna let him on the scale. Look at this guy. Look like hell out here. Let's see where we at. I don't know what this guy been. A bunch of scrap steel. Damn, I wish I was in front of him. Look at that guy there with all the refrigerators. All appliances. I know a place that would take those and recondition those, guys. Do you know there's things like vacuum cleaners, a dryer or a washer? They never really wore out. They just old and ugly. A vacuum cleaner, 90% of the vacuum cleaners, nothing wrong with them but restriction. Clog. The thing about it is people already want a new vacuum cleaner. So they just, you know what I'm saying? They just do it like that. They just rather another one. But all right, when can he get through? Cause I'm next. Here we go, guys. Stay tuned. Let's see what happens. Ooh, is this guy gonna make it? Ooh, what a major turn. Oh, he ain't gonna make it.
Train, is he gonna make that?
Yeah, he ain't gonna make it. They telling me to back up. Dummy. He just really needed to get weighed. So I can't back up until they get. All right, guys, we're gonna get it situated. Y'all hold on. Hold tight. Yeah, this is gonna be hard. Now this is all aluminum, right? I get aluminum for this. Yeah, that's a big hunk of aluminum, man. Let's save that one for the scale. He gonna do it the same way before he puts scale. Iron aluminum, just like the rest of it. Yeah, I think this iron aluminum, but that's aluminum, right?
Yeah, but the screws are steel.
Oh, come on, man! Just a little bit, 1 ounce of screws.
Take to the scale, that's what he gonna do.
That's what he gonna do there, anyway.
Hey,
Yeah, you good, go ahead.
Alright, get this junk out here, man. Look, he must be tripping sometimes. Hey, dude, man, he down. Yo, my friend, it's not aluminum. Come on. Damn, dude.
Steel.
Yeah, he be tripping sometimes. He cool as hell, though. I'm at the point where I don't even care. Man, don't hurt yourself. They'll have your replacement out here tomorrow.
Replace this, buddy.
You just started. I ain't seen you out here in a minute.
Yeah.
Don't worry about the junky ass truck. That's exactly what it is, a scrap junk truck. You look like you enjoying it. You look like you having way too much fun.
Who?
You!
Oh yeah, I love this shit. Ice skating and picking up heavy shit at the same time.
What I do now? Get back on the scale?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
You come back off that scale again and pull out the parking lot for me.
Alright. Oh man, y'all hear that? I couldn't even get all aluminum paid for that damn intake. I think I'm being had, guys. What y'all think? They having a. Oh. I don't know, guys. Stay tuned. Let's see how much I got. Wow, man. Look at old dude. His truck got a. He can lift his stuff up and just pull all the junk out.
Johnny, ain't no way you done got all that off of there.
Yes, I did.
Alright.
She loved me.
Oh, alright, well, John, you go, boy. Alright, go ahead, Johnny.
All right. She's funny. She's a trip.
Hey, you can come straight off.
I can. All right, guys. We're about to go see how much. Oh, look at that big ass magnet. Oh, it's looking for all. What is it looking for? Steel or aluminum or something?
Hold on, I'm gonna need you to sign something, baby, where I can help you take that out of there. Johnny, I ain't talking to you, baby. Roll it on, baby. Roll it on.
All right, guys. Let's go get my bread and see what we come up with. Can I get through here? No! You got me stuck. I can't get through there. Now I can get through there. All right, guys. Let's get it. It's mud, so I got to go a fast, straight shot. Woo! I did it. I'm going to go get my money. Y'all, I think I was had, but we're going to find out. Let's go see. I got a red Nissan truck.
Yeah, and I got a Lamborghini.
They waiting on another load. It won't be the next Saturday though. They got like 10 engines they want me to get rid of the place. Hey, let's see. Let's see what we got, guys. Wait a minute, I can't see. Alright. Was I had or not, guys? Let's see. Oh, hell yeah, I'll take it. I didn't think it was gonna be that much. 148, guys. Alright, how many of y'all guess? How many of y'all guess 148? You know what's weird? I got a truckload of the same amount still at the shop waiting on me, guys. Let's get it. I'm done, guys. That's all I have for this video. Challenging situation, like I say. I love junk. I love what I do, man. You got to love what you do. Any kind of what's on the radio? Hey, round and round, I'm getting it. The perfect song. Guys, I'm out of here. I can't let this play because I'm monetized, but I'll see y'all on the next video.